Alright, so we got the bike back up in the air here. Bars are all on, cables are all mounted. About to do the headlights. Figured I'd go ahead and throw the fender on there real quick. I'm just going to try to slide it in. Ooh, that fender looks so good on there. This bike's gonna be awesome. Cannot wait to get it totally together. Oh, and don't let me forget, I still got to bleed the brakes before we ride it. Hope I don't forget that. That would be exciting. Lights. So for like 10 bucks on eBay, I got these cheap smoked lenses to replace that. Just gonna make a big difference in the way it looks. Get these gaudy orange things off of here that doesn't match anything. Oh yeah, big difference. It looks way better. Alright, now we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the back. Ooh, you know what? These will not work for the back. They're different. So we're sticking with the factory bulbs in the back, I guess. Big difference. Looks way better. We'll go ahead and set a bag in here too so we can see what it looks like with the bags on it. I've already ordered a new seat, not here yet. Well, I don't think these bars are going to work with these bags. There's no way. They're just too far off. But I know I've seen them with stretch bags before. I'll have to look into that. We'll come back to that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the shell cover on top here and our spear that goes on top. I gotta get the two halves to line up first though. And they seem to be pretty far off right now. I don't know why. There we go. I couldn't get this thing to sit flush on here with the bars because it was making, this was hitting the bars and making the spear stick up so it wouldn't sit right, which is still not perfect, way better. But anyway, I took my Dremel tool and I just clearanced out the inside of it here on both sides so that it would sit flat on there with the new handlebars. I guess they're just fatter than that thing's meant for. So We'll go ahead and finish putting that back together. And I had to get it off the lift because initially I thought I put new riser bushings in, and I thought that it had made the riser sit up higher. And the only way to tighten them up is if you turn the handlebars and get to the bolt underneath. So got it off the lift so I could turn the handlebars, tighten them up on both sides. It didn't make a difference. This is definitely what the problem is.
I wish you all the best I can, but I stop myself for a while. I'm saying things I don't believe. The panic's rising up in you. Why won't you tell me something?
Now we can go ahead and pop in our new headlight. And I put this new style clear lens on here. It just gives it a way cleaner look. I also bought new spotlight, or what do you call it? Spotlights, passing lights, whatever they're called. Got new passing lights for it that are clear like that too. And we also got some French bezels. Gonna make the front look way cleaner, give it that classic look. Alright, we got our new, whoa, almost dropped it. We got our new passing lights here. We can go ahead and get these things popped in, along with our new bezels. And I was afraid of that. The connector's definitely different on this style light than our new ones. But I think I have some old ones I saved off a wreck bike. Alright, well I'll go ahead and get these cut off and butt connected on both sides real quick. Just got that one all done, and I don't know if, I guess I don't use the original bezel. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So we're back here at the back of the bike again. And if you remember, we tried to put on our hard bags and they wouldn't fit. Did some research and found out there's these nostalgic style bars for hard bags and for soft bags. Obviously mine are for soft bags. You can see how the new ones just have a little bit different corner on it. They're straighter so that the other ones fit. So we'll go ahead and get these swapped out so our stretch bags will fit. And I got a set of fishtail mufflers that I really want to run. The only problem is these these aftermarket headers have 2-inch openings, and factory Harley ones have 1 7/8. So my factory fishtails wouldn't fit. I took them to a muffler shop and had them open it up. Hopefully it's enough to get them to fit on there. I'm going to at least try. I really want that old school fishtail look, so we'll go ahead and get this stuff apart and try to swap it over, see if we can get it to work.
It's just a way to forget it all. In my head, you're still an ocean, and I'll still keep it if I fall. Yeah, when I fall. I'm wearing you out.
Oh, let's cross our fingers. Really really, really want these to work. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think they're just too damn small. Damn it. I'm gonna try to tap them on there with a block of wood and a hammer. I don't think it's gonna work though. Really don't want to bend these either. I looked all over the place. I couldn't find any fishtails with 2-inch opening inlets, but I definitely did try. I think it's gonna work. I don't see any reason why it won't bolt up. I don't know if I'm a fan of how the heat shield is bigger than the muffler right there where they meet. Kind of looks goofy. I don't know. I'm gonna set a bag on it and see what it looks like. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let's see. See, that just looks goofy. As bad as I want to run those, it's just not going to look right. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with Reinhardt's for now. And while I have the guards off and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and put a lowering kit on there. Let it sit down about another inch or two. And we'll get the new style guards on there, and or not the new style, but the hardbag style guards. Get the Reinhardt's back on and get the bags pinned on. And hopefully take this thing for a first ride. And get our new seat on it too. Go ahead and go on over to the other side. I'm going to put these lowering kits have 3 holes that kicks the shock back, so the further back it goes, obviously the lower it goes. I'm going to put it on the middle hole because these already have lower shocks than a standard Harley. I think standard's like 13.5. I believe these are like 12.5 inch shocks. So we'll stick them on the middle hole, drop the bike down, see what it looks like after that. And we're not going to tighten up any of these bolts until the bike's got all the weight off of it sitting on the ground. Put our new saddlebag bars on there. We'll go ahead and put on the other side.
And I know we'll see this through.
I didn't notice it until now, but our saddlebag support bracket is broken, so I'll go ahead and order us one of these. I'll put it on after I get the bike all together and stuff. We got our new hardbag nostalgic style saddlebag guards on. I still have this broken mount. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and order a new one of these, but I'm going to go ahead and put it together for right now so we can take it for a test spin, see how it does, see if it goes down the road. I got it pretty low. I'm hoping the tire doesn't drag, but we don't have a bolt going through the back seat because I ordered a solo seat for it, so we should be alright. But I'm going to go ahead and put it together, pin the bags on it, get the seat on it, and get it outside. I spent some money on it and got this double diamond stitched Drag Specialty solo seat. I think it just goes awesome with the old school look of the bike. Then it just pops in.
Maybe
I've never seen these kind of pins before, but I had to buy used mounts off of eBay because somebody stole ours off, and it came with these. The other bag mounted, I'll go ahead and tighten up all my mounts. I got them loose so that we could adjust them first. Going outside. Maiden voyage time, here we go. I don't have much gas in it. Oh well.